ah oona wanaagsan. Did you encounter any problems during the journey? Ma waxaad la kulantay wax mushkiladooyin ama dhibaatooyin ah inta lagu guda jiray safarkaagii? No, I didn't encounter any problems. Wax dhibaato ah lama kulmin. How long have you been in Uganda? Ilaa intee baad joogtay Uganda? I've been here for 2 years. Waxaan halkan joogay 2 sano. How do you see this country? Sidee baad u aragtaa waddankani? This country, waddankan, is peaceful. Waa mid nabadgelyo leh. How long have you been away from your country? Ilaa intee baad adigu waddankaada ka soo maqneed? I've been away from my country for 5 years. Waxaan waddankii ka maqnaa 5 sano. Are you a Ugandan? Adiga Ugandan baa tahay? No, I'm Somali. Maya, anigu Somali baan ahay. Good introduction. Barasho wanaagsan. Good introduction too. Sidoo kale barasho wanaagsan. Nice to meet you. Kulan wacan. Nice to meet you too. Sidoo kale kulan wacan. Improve your pronunciation. Sare u qaad dhawaqaada. Improve your pronunciation. Dhawaqaada. Sare u qaad. Conversation. Hi. Excuse me. You look a stranger. Where are you from? I'm from Sudan. I'm from Somalia. I'm from Kenya. I'm from Ethiopia. Why did you come to Uganda? I came to Uganda to process. I came to Uganda to attend a university. I came to Uganda to make business or to trade. I came to Uganda to visit my relatives, friends or family. I came to Uganda for tourism. I'm a tourist. Are you an asylum seeker? I'm a refugee who fled from his country. I am a refugee who fled from his country due to the civil war existing in my country. Because of the civil war existing in my country. Which country are you from? I'm Sudanese. I'm Somali. I'm Ethiopian. I'm Kenyan. I'm from Sudan. And I'm from Sudan. How did you come to Uganda? I came to Uganda by bus, by lorry, by plane.